The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and every one. I have a video I'm going to present to you, and according to some things that a female said in the video, I got the understanding that she said that barrels filled with things that she sent to the country that is known as Guyana through a shipping company had been tampered with. In my point of view, she wanted to know if the shipping company tampered with her barrels. In my point of view, she wanted to know how things came out of those barrels that she sent to Guyana. Harsh language had been used in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
Well, after ramming me barrel them for send them to Guyana.
Ramming.
Watch this space. Why come and reach in me barrel there? Why work hard and send? Y'all just see and tell me if this is right. Who help me clear and take out before the timing come? Watch. You see the space I'm showing you? I want general public see. So when I'm talking, I send 9 barrel home and all 9. Watch the space we left for the top. Watch it. I just want you to see. This one is the only one what come the way our pocket straight up, because this one are blind and see inside, so they couldn't trouble the blind them. You understand me? Let me just show y'all. So when I'm talking, I don't business who wants to say this and say that. I gonna send a bar from the States and it's so far down.
Like it, eh?
And it in a fall straight up, there's something wrong with me. The first thing, I send me barrel to Guywell shipping. Wait no man. I send me barrel to Guywell shipping. Me know the fuck I end up with U-line for me barrel and I send it to Guywell. I need explanation how U-line reach up on Guywell shipping. Me know if it's a fraud or what. But I just want to know how U-line tag reach up on Guywell barrel why send to Guywell. That's what I want to know. So I don't get to know if it's the person I send it to take it out or if it take out that Guywell itself. So that this is fuckery. I found this, you ever know anybody don't send a bar from final left out all this fucking space? Tell me to God.
Look away still. Look away for real, my people.
Tell me to God. How me barrel, all me barrel them, how they tamper with. And them ain't got on, when the Guywell tag come off, how it get on back U-line. Something wrong, I want to put on U-line for me barrel.
Look away.
That's why I want to know. I got to ask Guywell, I don't call them and ask them. I got the thing what take off from the barrel, this is it. It got on U-line. Ready, call them and ask them if I got on U-line instead of all got on Guywell.
You guys.
Call Guywell and ask them how me barrel end up with U-line on it instead of all the Guywell. And all the barrel them open up. One alone come the way I send it. All the rest, they fuck it up. I got for going out to see what the person take out. The owner for the barrel what they take out. Tell me that's not fuckery.
I'm not laughing matter still, but you know, the owner for the barrel.
You got to cook his fish? Yeah, tell you hungry. Let's just send a little stew fish like you eat it. Tell you don't put in nothing out to the extraordinary. No baby dirty or nothing in the stew fish. God, don't let you think I left in here. You see this people trying to make. You see these people trying to make me vacation uncomfortable. Imagine I on like when you beg. No, she got I gotta let the people know what's going on because I can't believe me barrel and why send. Why must I receive a barrel with all these things out it?
Yeah.
Watch it on space. Tell me if there's not fuckery. When you talk, you hear something. What this? All this space out to me barrel. Watch. I don't send a barrel like this way in full. Watch. Tell me to God. Ready call Guy Will and ask them how you line tag Richard Punk Guy Will barrel. Just ask them though.
Yeah. Look how
Discipline easy, Guyana is not a nice fucking place. It's not a nice place.
Hey, she said the F word them with
When you
such
come
emphasis,
for education, it's bare fuckery, Guyana.
You see?
So your barrel fucking dog. I want to know if it's who I senator went in it, or I want to know if it's Guy Will let's
why is not now answer that phone there?
This is the talk that will come on it. I said it through Guy Will, but to end up with some tags like these come on it, and I think I know where the Guy Will, and then it's a different hook there. Watch, this is Guy Will hook, but I end up with some hook like this, and I don't know how come. And you see with Mark, watch, I can't want no fucking body cell line. Let me make sure show y'all. This is some U-line something. Me never buy nothing from them. I never ship nothing with these people. How it Richard? So Guy Will, I want you to explain how these tags they Richard on me barrel.
Okay.
And me barrel let thing come out. So I want to know if it's y'all take it out or the people and why send it to take it out. This is what I want to know. Cause this is fuckery.
So it's like she has a ship through one company.
Me don't ask nobody for run nothing, no way.
And a two tag she has two things she has
I let general public know if it's the agency fucking up your thing when you send it, or when you send it to family member, if it's them fucking it up. One out of the two, I want to know, cause I gotta get answer. I can't send a barrel and from here to tell you if catch the fucking first rim empty.
Wow.
I gotta be a mad woman.
Wow.
I got mad.
Wow. No, that look at weird.
I said 9 barrel, I get 3 and 3 6. I get 3 and 2 is 5. And 4 with U-line. I know where U-line come from.
Boy.
So I just want to know how U-line reach from Guy Will shipping agency barrel.
Me that like for you that the explanation.
I want to know if it's Guy Will thiefing or whoever I send it to, I want to know if they tamper with my barrel.
Okay.
Me don't want to blame nobody wrongfully. I just want to know 1 out of the 2.
Fair
I
enough.
said 9 barrel with Guy Will shipping, 5 having Guy Will shipping tag, and 4 having some U-line. Me know where U-line come from. This fuckery must stop. If it's family member thief it or Guy Will workers thief it, I want to know how the fucking thing come out of me barrel. I am mad for sending a barrel with all this space from the first rim till up here. I work hard and I send anything to make me sure in the body comfortable and happy. And when I go open it, and I don't see this, I never want to reach down for see what gone at the bottom. I can't even know it's what I take out because I reach down here.
You're vex right now.
Because this is fuckery. No, you can't send you there when you come and you get your barrel. You send it to a family member, you know, you tell the family member don't open it. They said they may open it because it still have on the seal. But when I open up the seal, when I check the seal, I see my barrel and open up. Because the thing how I packet it in there. I see Guy Will, and I see somebody who named U-line. I know who is this, but it was on the Guy Will barrel. This is a different seal from this seal. I know when a man come, they just give me a seal like this that is put on, right? But me know how I end up with a fancy thing like this.
Real. Well, my people, if things are missing from out of those barrels for real, you know, the female have a right to know how those things came out of those barrels. That's if things are missing from out of those barrels. You say people work hard for their money, you know. People work hard for their money. So if something missing that somebody buy and they want to know how it missing, them have a right to know. That is if they want to know. Me wrong or me right? Eh? Yeah, know. And at first me I hear about something like this still now, people. You know what I mean? Not exactly the same way, but you know, me hear people complain about barrels being tampered with when them ship it from other countries to Jamaica or to other countries out there. Me hear of incidents like that, you understand? And me hear about situations like that, you see it? Yeah, but you don't know. Just to make you know about this video still. You can tell me what you think, my people. If you ever have an experience like that, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. And I really never have an experience like that still. You see me I say? You see? The only problem with me have is when times certain things reach to me from overseas. It's like whosoever their wife, you know what they call customs, whosoever their wife, even when times certain things that come through the airport and so forth. The way how them dig up the things, them things that me really and truly not really and truly to agree with. But because of the bag of crime and violence and illegal things and smuggling and all them things there, see me that make the good that suffer for the bad. You see it? So all them things them people. But anyways, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Yeah, so me I go left it. So until the next time, I'm in Dancehall Skilla. Now big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.